Hey guys, my name is Manish and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where we break down celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Now, if you've been feeling the heat, then you're definitely gonna love today's episode where we are breaking down Ranveer Singh's look. Now, the actor was spotted at a film screening in a fluorescent blue vest that totally had a relaxed, chilled out vibe. He teamed it with a pair of mid-wash jeans and completed the look with a snapback cap. Now, this look is all about the comfort factor, with relaxed separates paired together to create a very casual look. Now, the sweatshirt tied around his waist is actually a really smart idea as it gave the actor an additional layer in case he felt a bit too cold. Now, I'm especially digging the fluorescent vest. It's a great way to feel comfortable and look stylish both at the same time. Now, remember, comfort is the primary thing to keep in mind while choosing a vest, and it should be the first thing that you look at when you pick one. Choose one that has a more relaxed fit like Ranveer did. Ensure that it is at least 1 to 2 inches loose for you and falls till your belt buckle. Now, not everyone can pull off fluorescent colors like Ranveer, so you could pick, more safer shades like olive green, teal, or maybe even navy blue, which are colors that pretty much flatter all skin tones. Wearing a printed vest is also a great way to rock this trend. Now, let me show you guys a few bright prints that would add a pop of color to your look and will help you achieve Ranveer's vibe. Now, start with a stripe color vest like this one. Now, remember, like I said earlier, it's got to be 1 to 2 inches loose for you, and like this vest, it kind of falls easily like Ranveer's vest is in the picture. Now, with that, you can team it with a pair of ripped jeans like this, and you're pretty much good to go for any beach vacation that you're ready to go on. Up next, the printed crew neck vest is another great option if you're not a fan of loud colors. Now remember, again, it is a loose vest and it kind of fits very comfortably on the body. It also retains the element of a lot of fun while at the same time making sure you're not over the top. Now, what you can do interestingly with this is you can pair it with a pair of shorts like this, a pair of denim shorts, and throw on a pair of sunglasses and you're ready to hit the beach in full style. Now remember guys, vests are a great option that can be worn under anything and everything from a shirt to a leather or denim jacket. You can just basically team it up with anything and make it look super cool. So get creative and don't be afraid to play with some prints and colors that are inspired by Bollywood's most colorful actor, Ranveer Singh. Well, that's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look. Until next time, ciao. Now today I'm going to show you how to rock one of Ranveer Singh's wardrobe staples, the logo tee. Ranveer was seen sporting the stylish tone-on-tone athleisure outfit that totally gave us Gully Boy vibes. Blue is one of the hottest colors this year, and Ranveer's all-blue sweatsuit scores major points on the fashion scale. He broke up the monotony of the blue with an oversized Adidas logo tee and white kicks. The over-the-top white logo tee really stands out in this look and provides completely but really good contrast. This is a great outfit if you love to stay comfortable while still looking stylish. Logo tees have been blowing up on runways and has been all over Instagram for the past 2 years now, and it seems like the trend is here to stay for another few years to come. Guys, a simple style tip to remember is do not mix logos from different brands. You do not want to wear Adidas t-shirts with Nike sneakers or Puma joggers. The reason for this is because the logo will clash and end up making you look like maybe a giant billboard, which is a major no-no. Either pair them with pieces from the same brand or pieces that don't really have visible logos. Now let me show you 3 versatile wardrobe staples that will help you ace Ranveer's street style look. Now, a simple logo tee like this one is a great basic wardrobe staple to have. It combines the logo against distressed stripes for that laid-back kind of relaxed look that you're looking for. If you're on the leaner side, the horizontal stripes of this shirt is actually a great visual trick to make your body look broader. But you'll have to be careful because horizontal stripes don't work well if you are rather broad-built already. Now guys, if you don't like flaunting a huge logo across your chest, another way to wear this trend is to wear the logo in the form of a microprint design, like this maroon Adidas t-shirt over here. It's a subtle way to wear this trend. Now I suggest you pair this t-shirt with a pair of maybe light wash denims like this and throw on your favorite watch to make that look more flattering and interesting. And it works for situations just like, if you have to go run errands or you're just casually hanging out with your buddies. Now hoodies are another wardrobe staple that you must have have in your closet. I suggest going for something more versatile that you know will last you for a very long time. Now guys, a relaxed fit is very important to look into when you're buying a hoodie. You have to make sure that it's at least 1 or 2 inches loose for you. The tonal color block of this hoodie works well for regular wear and is the definition of Sunday loungewear. Now what you can do is pair it with relaxed joggers like these and throw on some slides that is going to ensure you're going to have a look that's high on comfort and on style as well. That's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao.
Hey there, I'm Swati, your Myntra style mentor, and I welcome you to B-Town Style Under 3, where we break down the latest celebrity looks all under 3 minutes. Today we are breaking down a look of Ranveer Singh. While he's known for his eccentric style, recently Ranveer Singh was spotted in a rather chill look, where he was seen wearing a black graphic tee that he paired with a pair of navy jeans and tucked the hem of the jeans into a pair of brown suede boots. His red round sunnies gave a great touch to the entire look. Since I thought this look of his is achievable and something you men should try, I decided to pull out a few t-shirts that you guys could pair with your navy or indigo jeans like Ranveer. So first we have a monochrome black and white tee which has a very busy graphic print on it. If you are a guy who likes t-shirt like this, try this look. The next option I have here is this salmon pink t-shirt with horizontal stripes, and it has a front pocket detail. The front pocket detail in t-shirts is a really big trend, and this is what makes the t-shirt stand out. Moving back to prints, a simple green tee like this with a record device vintage print or a simple grey tee with typography are great options that would go well with a pair of navy jeans too. That is all from your dose of tees to try today. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.